My name is Will Braswell, and I'm the creator of RPerl, an optimizing compiler for low-magic Perl 5 software. Whoa! At this point, I'm already like, what the heck is Perl software? And compile who? And what did he say about magic? Those are all great questions. Perl is an important computer programming language used to help build the internet. A compiler is a piece of software that converts a text file of human-readable source code into an executable program of machine-readable binary code. An optimizing compiler makes the resulting executable program run really fast. And the magic part? Magic is what we call all the really complicated parts of Perl. Magic makes Perl really powerful, but magic also makes Perl run really slow. Oh, I get it. We need low magic Perl so we can take out all the slow parts. Exactly. But first, a bit about myself. I have an honors degree in computer science and mathematics from Texas Tech University. I started going to college when I was 12 years old. I love programming Perl, and I'm the president of the Austin Perlmongers. I'm a dedicated Boy Scout leader, which means I think things like camping and boating and adventurous activities are really cool. I'm a serial entrepreneur, which means that I've acted as both CEO and CTO for my own companies, as well as companies run by other people. I'm a parallel computing enthusiast, which means that I think things like multi-core processors and supercomputers and the cloud are really cool. I am a cane juggler. Yes, I juggle canes for fun and profit. I grew up watching Star Trek, which means I think things like transporters and replicators and warp drives are really cool. And I'm an outspoken advocate of free and open source software, or FOSS for short. Okay, tell me more about FOSS. Free and open source software is available for anyone on the internet to download without paying any money. And it's distributed in human-readable source code format so that computer programmers like me can upgrade or fix the software if it breaks. Also, whenever a member of the internet programming community changes a piece of FOSS, then the new derivative software also inherits the free and open source nature of the original project. So I'm guessing our Perl is free and open source. Am I right? Yes! The source code of RPerl can be downloaded for free at rperl.org and is made available under the same FOSS licenses as Perl itself. So what's the actual point? Why is RPerl important? Why should we care? More good questions. Like many other computer programmers in Perl's 25-year history, I have long lamented the lack of an optimizing compiler to make my code run really fast. After a while, I realized that the only solution was to build my own compiler, and thus RPerl was born on January 1st, 2013. RPerl works by converting low-magic Perl 5 source code into the equivalent code in the C and C++ programming languages, which is then further optimized by any common compiler. Initial tests show that the hand-compiled RPerl benchmarks can run up to 200 times faster than pure Perl without breaking backward compatibility. Wow, that's pretty good. But still, why should we care? Well, if you're a Perl programmer like me, then the answer is pretty obvious. RPerl can help your code run really fast. If you're somebody who uses a specific piece of Perl software, then you should care about RPerl because you can ask the people who developed and maintain your software to upgrade it to RPerl and make your code run really fast. If you're like most people and you've never downloaded or used Perl directly, then you should still care about rPerl, because it may one day lead to you having a richer, fuller, faster internet experience. Remember, most web servers use Perl in one way or another. Okay, and what does this all have to do with Boy Scouts and juggling? Nothing. I just think that stuff is really cool. Oh, right. Well, what does it have to do with supercomputers then? Another good question. One of the goals for rPerl is automatic parallelization, which means helping your rPerl code to run on supercomputers and other newfangled parallel hardware platforms such as multi-core chips and the cloud. First, we'll get rPerl to run really fast in serial, which means one operation at a time. Then, we'll get rPerl to run really fast in parallel, which means multiple operations simultaneously. You probably already own a laptop or desktop computer with multi-core chip inside, and it's probably just not being fully utilized. Very interesting. So, how far along is rPerl development at this point? So far, we've completed an initial rPerl demo which shows how fast rPerl can run. Following the FOSS principle of release early, release often, we will release rPerl version 1.0 this coming Christmas Day 2013. Wow, that's not very far away. You're right. But let me emphasize that releasing rPerl version 1.0 is just the beginning. After that, we've got to get more programmers involved, help some organizations upgrade to rPerl, create promotional activities, and fix any bugs we find along the way to releasing rPerl version 2. We're very excited about the future of rPerl, and we believe that it can have a significant impact both inside the computer programming community and beyond. So now you're going to ask us for money, aren't you? Yes, well, there are ways of making money off of free and open source software, such as by selling technical support. But that requires a polished product, and we're just not there yet. The truth is, we do need some money to finish rPerl version 1.0 and set us down the path to making rPerl successful for everybody. And what exactly are you planning to do with all of our hard-earned money? My only expenses are the basic costs of living, such as rent and electricity and internet access. If we raise enough money, then I can hire another programmer or two to help make rPerl even better and faster. So, what's in it for us? Well, to start with, anybody who pledges any amount of money will be honored with their name on the prestigious Wall of Benefactors on the official rPerl.org website. That's very nice. Now give me something I can touch. Okay, anyone who donates $10 or more will receive this graceful origami crane, handcrafted by yours truly. Act now, supplies are limited. Okay, not bad. What else you got? Well, all donations of $20 or more will receive a custom rPerl bumper sticker, and $40 will get you a stylish designer rPerl t-shirt, just perfect for hipsters or casual everyday use. Also, a donation of $100 or more will receive 6 months technical support for rPerl version 1.0. Nice. And what about larger donations? Okay, how about this? Anyone who donates $300 or more will receive their choice of either an authentic scouting-style overnight camping adventure or an exciting live juggling show, both hosted by yours truly. Travel expenses not included. To top it all off, anyone who donates $500 will receive their own laptop computer with ARPRL 1.0 pre-installed and ready to rock. Plus, ARPRL technical support for the rest of your life. Okay, I gotta admit, those rewards are pretty awesome. Yes, they are. Just remember, if we don't reach our financial goal, then ARPRL doesn't get funded, and nobody gets any rewards, and we'll all be sad. So, what is the fundraising goal? I'm glad you asked. We've set the initial Kickstarter goal at the ridiculously low value of just $100. This is possible because I'm 110% dedicated to releasing ARPRL version 1.0 no matter what. So hopefully, this will help ARPRL get any funding rather than no funding. Also, we've set up a number of stretch goals on the Kickstarter page to show how we'll spend the money if we raise more than $100. Okay, we're convinced. So what do we need to do to make a pledge? First, let me just say thank you for watching this video, and thank you so much for making a donation to the ARPRL project. Making your pledge is super easy. Just click the green button that says Back This Project and select your reward. Clicking, selecting, and done. I am now a proud backer of the ARPRL project. Great! Thanks, Will! You're welcome, Will. And most importantly, thank you. And cut.